we open all this stuff. It's just, as I promised, I told you like we're gonna open it like after the video, but you know, I just wanted to open it in the separate video. This is actually part 2, or part 3, because remember the house tour, so yeah. So we got this in Labi, L-A-B-I, capital L. Of course, everybody knows capital L. There we go, and they have the zipper, and that's what it comes with. And then it says style me. But I actually have one, which is like the first series of it. Yeah. So I only got one for me, and it's Hairgoals, and I think it's season 2, maybe, because I'm not really liking it well. But yeah, so I just wanted to buy another one so that makes 40 LOLs or 39 LOLs. I mean, come on. So anyway, so it says open right here, and let's get started. They tried to make it ordinary, which always breaks. How can I ever make a zipper thing properly? It's colored gold! OMG! Like in a box, and after like I touch that, after my muscles are getting like pumping after I said, okay, so just buy this so that, because my muscles are super pumping, and why does that trick work even? That's so crazy. It's colored gold. OMG! Mom, you got to see this, come! OMG, it's colored gold. Gold. Like when I got it from the box, my arm was pumping, you know?
Why is it pump it?
It's like
Pump it.
So we got this nice, it says rainbow hair 2 dye.
Wow.
Yep. And then we got this nice zipper here. Please make it perfect, Sasha. Let's go. The last zipper. It should say open sesame, not open. That is a proper way. Just kidding. Anyway, so we got, here we got the code and instructions. So the code is right here. Dirty Bunny. Oh wait, why is there a sticker here? Oh, it comes with nice stickers. That is nice. Okay, then we also got, I think it's Dirty Bunny, or Working Bunny, let's see. Messy Bunny. Okay, it's Messy Bunny. So if you got stuck in this, it's like you can just go upside down, and that's the code. So you'll just know the code, and yeah, stickers and stuff. Anyway, so OMG, look at this. All of their combs are like this, but I never touched this yet. This is like a magnifying glass.
The magnifying glass has like a hologram.
Yeah, but everything has that. I just think everybody has it. I don't even open. This is my first time opening season 2. I don't know if that is something. And there we go. Sorry. There we go. We got this nice thing. Open it. There we go. Sorry. So we got this nice thing. Oh, I bet this is a chain. Let's open the nice chain. Beautiful. Beautiful. It's golden. Yes. We got a golden chain and a golden foot thingy. Oh, we also got a bath thing, so that's good. I don't even know if it's gold. It's ultra rare, so that's why. Yeah. Oh, and this chain is for like you can make a bag. So yeah. Okay, so you can just open this. Oh, so we got instructions for when I'm gonna open later. Look, I didn't expect that. Oh, we got a blind bag, another blind bag, another blind bag, another blind bag, and another blind bag. So we got all these blind bags which I'm gonna put aside. And we also got hair curlers, which is for this other surprises. And yeah, I'm gonna set these aside first. Wait. Because they're just gonna make me a clue about the doll. Actually, I want clues. Okay, never mind. I'm gonna start from these. Because I didn't know anything about them, so it just pops right open, and then you can just pop it. Ooh! So we got a beautiful blue comb, which is nice for you to comb. Just kidding, it's not for you. There we go. It's really nice. Next of all, the next hair curler. Let's see. Ooh, we got like a blue, nice bottle.
Amber.
Oh. There we go. Done. Next we got the bag. Wait, actually, wait. I want the outfit. There we go. Oh, look. OMG. I don't know what I'm getting. That's actually so cute. Done. That's actually the cutest top I ever saw in a row. Next. 1, 2, 3. 3. And then a belt bag. Wait, I think that's this one right here. Actually, no, it's not. A belt bag. I mean, come on. I love belt bags. Wait a second. Wait. I don't even know. Okay. Next of all, this bag. Okay. I don't really like boots this but different way, but it's okay. I think I'm gonna get something good. So you got 2 cowgirl boots. Next of all, I have no idea what is this. Oh yeah, I think it's a ring. Wait, earrings? I think these are hoop earrings. Necklace. A choker or necklace. That's like a black pink one. Okay. One last, I think these are glasses. Obviously. Yep. Okay. I don't know what I'm getting. It's not the front one because she's way nicer. I have no idea. None. Oh. Next, the mummy, which is quite creepy. What? Okay, she got long hair. She's so pretty. What? I like it.
It's so orange.
Gee, I think she's rare.
Yeah, it's nice.
Wait, I think she's. Oh, I can't get the plastic thing out of her, but it's okay. Okay, I'm gonna get these rubber things out of her.
You not get it because it's new ribbon hair.
No, wait, no, I'm gonna. No, there's a plastic thing on her. Look at that.
Let me see. No.
What? Look, she's so pretty. I like it. It's longer than my original one. I think these are like longer hairs, and oh my gosh, so nice straight. Oh, that's important to dress a doll up because you don't want them to be naked. Yes, dolls can be naked. Just kidding. So here's the bubble wrap of it. It's so glitter. I never have a glitter. I think it's this one, Ma.
Ah, yeah. Oh.
Yeah, it's this one. Yeah, that's her in.
I see a bit.
There's a boy! I wanted the boy! Oh, she's an ultra rare! Yay! Yeah, she's an ultra whale. Just kidding, ultra rare. Yazzie. OMG, that is so nice. Oh, it's color change. I know, it's color change. Yeah, I can identify. Yeah, it's so easy to identify if it's color change or not. Because if it's color change, you can see the color change through it. Right there. Mine is named EDMBB. Okay. Okay.
cute.
Okay, so we got the belt bag on. And then the glasses. Please be easy to put on. There we go. We got the thingy, the glasses on her, and then her beautiful water. There we go. Oh, and guys, this is actually so cool. Like this area, you can make it like a stand thing for her. And also, if you stand thing for her, like you can make it, and after you can like make her stand, and then this thing can turn around like that. It's so cool. And then you can also flip it upside down to make it a nice area. And her water, there's a slot for her water jug, and it's so cool. So, bye guys. Thanks for watching. Give a like, subscribe, and share, and tap the notification button to stay updated with our travels and vlogs. Bye!
Sa pangalan ay nakalimot ko eh. Ito na tugma.